Are you a business owner looking for a smarter way to manage your expenses, especially across different currencies? You might be wondering, does Airwallex have a credit card? It's a great question, and one that gets to the heart of how modern businesses are optimizing their financial operations. The short answer is, Airwallex offers corporate cards, which function much like debit cards, drawing funds directly from your Airwallex multi-currency account. While they're not traditional credit cards in the sense of offering a line of credit, they provide incredible flexibility and control for businesses operating globally. Let's break down what Airwallex's corporate cards are all about and why they could be a game changer for your business. First off, forget about the hassle of traditional corporate cards that often come with hefty fees and limited currency options. Airwallex's corporate cards are designed for global businesses, allowing you to spend in multiple currencies with zero foreign transaction fees. This means you can pay for SaaS subscriptions, business travel, online ads, and more, all directly from your multi-currency balances, avoiding unnecessary conversion costs. One of the standout features is the ability to issue both virtual and physical cards. Virtual cards are instantly generatable, making them perfect for online purchases, recurring subscriptions, and even for creating single-use cards for enhanced security. Imagine needing to pay a supplier in a different country. With a virtual card, you can create one in seconds, set a specific spending limit, and even designate it for a particular merchant type. This gives you unparalleled control and visibility over your team's spending. Physical cards are also available for in-person transactions, giving your employees the flexibility they need while you retain oversight. Beyond just spending, Airwallex's corporate cards come with integrated expense management tools. This is where the real-time and cost savings kick in. No more chasing down receipts or manually reconciling expenses. Your team can upload receipts directly through the Airwallex app, and you can set up multi-layer approval workflows to ensure every expense is authorized by the right people. This streamlines your accounting processes, reduces administrative burden, and gives you a real-time overview of your company's spending. You can also integrate Airwallex with popular accounting software like Xero, making reconciliation even smoother. The benefits extend to financial control and security. With Airwallex cards, you can set granular spending limits for each card, whether it's a daily, monthly, or per transaction limit. You can freeze or cancel cards instantly if you suspect misuse or if a card is no longer needed. This level of control significantly reduces the risk of fraud and overspending, giving you peace of mind. While Airwallex focuses on corporate debit cards rather than traditional credit cards with a revolving credit line, their offerings are specifically tailored to the needs of modern businesses engaged in international trade. They emphasize features like multi-currency spending, real-time expense tracking, and robust security, all designed to save you money on fees and improve your financial efficiency. So, if you're looking for a powerful solution to manage your business expenses globally, Airwallex's corporate cards are definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.